Hi, my name is Farah, and I'm filming this review and testimonial for Faraksha on Fiverr. I reached out to Faraksha not long ago because I really needed assistance getting the correct file types over to my supplier as far as my packaging and graphic designs went for a skincare product I am releasing. And Faraksha was just there to save the day. Honestly, he made the whole process so seamless. He was very communicative from the very beginning, and he just ensured that everything was taken care of and all my needs were met. He truly exceeded my expectations. He went above and beyond, even when we had to go back and make revisions and corrections to a lot of the files. I was going back and forth between Faraksha and my supplier, and Faraksha just was very patient and very kind throughout the entire process. So if you are looking for a very talented and professional graphic designer to take care of your product launching and designing needs, Faraksha is your guy. He will make sure that you're taken care of.